Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. You're looking at some Publix orchids that we purchased buy one get one free a while back. It was last year, and we got them fixed to the tree. I have another video that actually covers how you can do this and showcases the fact that those Publix orchids actually grow well in Florida. But on to the main event of this video. I wanted to show you our cherry tree is producing heavily right now. Well, I wouldn't say heavily, but it's got quite a bit of cherries growing. Really exciting because I'm about to pick a bunch of them. If you look back there, you can see. Now these cherries, this is Barbados cherry. These cherries are rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. Pretty much every cherry has more vitamin C than an orange. At least that's the story. So I just grabbed my bowl and I'm gonna pick these ones. I'm gonna tell you now though, these don't last very long, so you have to pick them and literally eat them either the same day or the next day. And here's our yield for today. Now yesterday my wife picked about this many, and then the day before also. So basically the whole family's been getting involved, and this thing just produces so many cherries you're not gonna be able to eat them all. So just get ready to share. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm going to provide some updates on the production of this cherry tree throughout the summer. It's actually going to produce a lot more than what you see here. Have a good day.